Right then guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have the absolute pleasure of having one of the first 992 Porsche GT3 RSs in the country at the studio for our Xpel Full Car Paint Protection Film package. So at the moment now Toby's going around and decontaminating the vehicle before we can pull it inside and get started with applying the film. So let's finish off with the decontamination and let's get it inside the studio. So the team have been absolutely smashing out the PPF on this Porsche 992 GT3 RS. So unfortunately I wasn't actually here to film the first part of this. However, I'm now back so I can get the last bits that need to be done recorded. So what's left is the rear bumper, front bumper, both doors, and then we also need to ceramic coat the wheels and the glass as part of all of our full car packages. So the rear quarters over, they've been done. The roof is protected. This absolutely gorgeous bonnet that comes on these GT3 RSs, that is all now protected as well. So the carbon fibre and the painted areas are all now protected, giving the owner some much needed protection. So let's carry on, keep smashing out this GT3 RS, and I can show you the finished result very soon. So then that's the 992 Porsche 911 GT3 RS now complete at the studio. As you've just seen, this car looks incredible and you won't be seeing too many of these around in the UK. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, let us know what you'd like to see in the comment section down below, and we'll catch you in the next video.